to squeeze in.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's possible. But
Yeah.
it's very amazing. Today on the 9th of July 2025, and we have Arkadiankatu, Arkadiankatu 10 staircase B. From the staircase before. It was added in 1959. The number is 8223, one of not that many 1950s additions
Yeah.
in Helsinki, and when people fixtures 3 rides here.
Is dit paikki mais, mutta meitä nyt paikka Kone.
It's very amazing and it's tiny.
Yeah.
That noise was the elevator itself.
Yeah.
But it sounded like a dish, but it was still.
Yeah.
I will open the doors. Gate and the door. Yes. It's squeezed.
Yeah.
Let it stay possible.
Yeah.
Sorry. Light. There it goes. On the video. Yeah, that's better. Okay. So thank you very much for watching.
That's